Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. It is Friday, September 25th, and I have a Friday haul for you guys and a few project shares and updates. And yeah, not a whole lot this week, but of course I wanted to come on and show you what I got nevertheless. So first of all, we're going to start with Dollar Tree, and I got a few things there. They were just getting their Christmas things out. I saw these wood houses and I thought they were so cute. They had a couple of styles. One of them did not have this raised door on it. It was, I don't know, it was a little bit different. So I figured I'd try this one. I guess I'll paint it. If you guys have this, let me know what you're planning to do. I'm not the best painter at all, so I have a feeling I could get frustrated and throw the whole thing out once I get started. So I figured for $1 I could try it, but maybe like paint pens or something, maybe that would work better. So let me know what you guys are planning to do. I want to make it look cute, but I'm afraid I'm going to mess it up. So probably should have gotten two for when I mess it up the first time. So anyway, got that. And then the other things I got were a few ribbons. I got this one, which is like a black and red plaid with some snowflakes on it. I really like this one. I thought it was beautiful. And you get 9 feet for $1, you know, for a couple gifts or a couple embellishments. And then I got this one. I love this one. This one is white with gold writing on it, and it says peace, love, and joy, and Merry Christmas, and a snowflake. And I just thought this one was beautiful. Just really classy, and I think it'll go nice with some of the papers that we all have this year. I got this one. They had like a box of different red and gold assortments. So I got this one, which I thought was really nice. And I thought it would work back to that red and white Christmas paper pad from Michael's this year, the Hot Buy. It's got gold snowflakes and zigzag. Kind of looks like a sweater stitch, I think. It reminds me of that anyway. So yeah, I figure I'll use that with, you know, some of those projects. And the last one I got was this one. Again, it's the red. This one, I guess it's satin ribbon, right? Yeah, satin ribbon. And it's got gold candy on it, candy canes and peppermints. And I really like that one too. So they have a ton of different ribbons. I try not to go crazy because I do have a bunch of Christmas ribbons from last year. And really, how many do you need? So I started with these. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, that was my haul from Dollar Tree for this week. And then I went to Michael's, and I'm so glad I went the day I did. I happened to stop in there. I'm not really sure why. I don't know. I think it was killing time or something, but they were just getting their Christmas jewelry supplies out, and they were 30% off. So I was so happy to grab some because I know that they'll be gone quick. The cashier was like, oh, I think these must have just come out because I haven't seen them yet. So this was the first set of charms I got. Look at these guys. There's a little cookie with googly eyes. And in my family, googly eyes are a big thing. So I'm sure those will be well received. Look at the milk one. I mean, come on. Isn't that so cute? And then there's a little Santa hat charm. This is with silver, which is good because I have a lot of gold charms. I don't have that many silver ones, and I do make some silver, you know, planner charms and stuff. And then this one is a little envelope that says, I've been good, and it has a red star on it. I don't know if you could see the writing, but yeah. So that was $5.99 and 30% off. I thought that was adorable. And then I found these two. Look at these little Christmas lights. How cute are these? I'm sure you can find these other places, but I love the little size. And there's like this minty green color, and there's yellow and purple, blue and red. And I think that's another blue one. So they just repeat. So there's 20 of them, $6, 30% off. So what's that, like 4 or something? Not bad, and I just thought they were so cute. These would make a really cute charm, I think. Just like, you know, have a chain with a bunch of these like zigzagging down. I just thought that was adorable. So got one of those. And then I saw Mommy Loves Gigi show this one, and I just fell in love. Look at this little hot cocoa cup, and it's a gingerbread man inside with a little pool of like candy canes. And it's 3D. So cute, right? It was $7, which is a lot, but 30% off, so that's less than $5, right? I loved it. I thought he was totally adorable, and it's a nice weighty charm. It looks like it's pretty well made. It's metal. So yeah, I got two. There were two there, and I took two home because I know I'm going to have a good use for these, and I was thrilled that I can find them. And I finally went somewhere on the right day. So. And the other thing from the jewelry section I got were these beautiful iridescent snowflake beads. Look at these. They're kind semi-flat, but they have a, like a teeny, maybe 1/8 of an inch depth, and they're just beautiful. You could string these together, use them separately, but these, I don't know if you could tell by on the camera, but they're gorgeous. There's 13 of them for $6. Again, 30% off, and I love them. I thought they were gorgeous, so I cannot wait to make some Christmas tassels and stuff. And I have some more beads coming from BB Crafts, a lot of Christmas charms, so I'm just so excited. All right, so that's it for the jewelry section I got, or jewelry stuff I got at Michael's. And oh, I am so sorry, bumped the tripod. I did pick up one more Hot Buy paper pad, and it's jewel glitter. And these are beautiful, beautiful, rich colors. You've probably seen them in other hauls. And they're not smooth glitter. They're kind of chunky, but it doesn't come off. Maybe a teeny bit it does. I don't know if you could see, but yeah, there's a little bit of shine there. Not terrible though, and they're nice and thick. And for, what is it, 24 sheets of beautiful glitter paper for $5. I mean, how can you go wrong, right? There's this gorgeous, it's like a teal color, but it looks so blue on my camera right now, but it's greener in real life. So there's four of those. Yeah, because the next one's different. This one's also, it's green, I guess, but it has a lot of different colors in the glitter, so it doesn't look like a, like a true green. It's kind of more bluey green. Beautiful. This would make gorgeous, like, spruce trees. Yeah. And then there's this yellow gold color. This is, if you're looking for yellow gold, don't look any further than this. There's 4 of those. It's actually really pretty, and the glitter in it is not different colors, it's just the gold. So it's actually kind of cool. And there's this fuchsia pink color too, which is beautiful. It's really rich jewel color. And I don't think they've had this paper pad before. Have you guys seen it? I haven't. And then there's this magenta purpley color, also gorgeous. Really, really pretty. And then look at this purple. I don't think I've ever seen a purple glitter paper this pretty. It is stunning. And I'm not usually a purple fan, but this is just amazing. So again, 4 of those, that's the last one. So there's 6 different colors, 4 of each, $5. You cannot go wrong. And then I've never had this coupon before. I got an email, Michael's. It was good for this week. If you buy 4 products, you get a 5th one free. And it didn't matter if it was on sale or what. And the cashier was even like, what? I've never seen this before. And it works. So I got one of the, I think it was one of the pieces of jewelry, one of the charms for free, in addition to everything on sale. So it was great. I miss the good coupons at Michael's. I miss being able to use competitors' coupons, but these sales were pretty good this week, so that's awesome. I don't know how long that lowest prices of the season sale is going on, but yeah, it's good right now. And then the last thing I got for the haul part is I got all these different color snowflakes from Allie, from the same seller. And there's like a aqua minty green color, and it's iridescent as well. So pretty, right? And then I got pink ones too, also iridescent. And then the white, which has a very pink cast to it. And in the, well, maybe that's just the iridescent part, but no, I think it's really like a pinky white. So I got those 3, and I'll link them down below in case you're interested, because I had a hard time finding like the pastel snowflakes. And let me just show you a project I made with them. I made this embroidery hoop, which I'll link that die set down below too. And I put the little snowflakes in there as a shaker. And I used some cork sticky paper from the Dollar Tree for the shaker part. And that cut out so well, and it was already sticky, so it just made my my life easier making the shaker. The embroidery hoop also came with a cute little spool die. Actually, it came with 2. I think this is a larger one, and there's a smaller set too. So I just added a little sticker to that too. I added a flower, and it looks like there's a little piece of yellow tape on there. Let me get that off. Just one of the, yeah, okay, that's off. And then I have a puffy sticker on there that says Mary, and I tied on some iridescent ribbon, and this is paper from one of the new hot buys I just got. So yeah, it's just like a little tag. You can write to and from on the back or whatever, but I thought that came out really cute. I added a little like border die at the background and put some white glitter cardstock to make it look like snow. So yeah, I showed it on Instagram, did I? Actually, maybe I haven't yet, but yeah. So just wanted to show you what those snowflakes looked like, and I'll link the dies and the snowflakes down below. Also, I wanted to update you guys on a few things. Last week I had hauled this die from the Midodo store on Ally, and I wanted to tell you guys how it cut out. It cuts out really well. I made a bunch of different doilies, and yeah, it cut out very cleanly. I did have to like poke out some of the smaller pieces, but no big deal. I just used my, you know, the thing with the brush on it, and it just like raked them all out. So no big deal. So now I have these in my stash, and I like to do things like this when I'm not really sure what I should be working on, and I just need to, like, you know, stock up on some embellishments, and it's good to have doilies in your stash. So I just made a few different color ones. So anyway, that one came out well, in case you guys were wondering how that worked. Also, I hauled the Christmas tree die set from Michael's last week, and it is still available there in the store. It was $15.99, but I believe, was it on sale, or I used my coupon or whatever, but I made a shaker out of this, and I did show this on Instagram, I know, but this is the shaker I made. I just used the 2 outline dies there. I didn't use the middle part yet, but so yeah, I think it came out so cute. I used some acetate in between that has gold stars on it, and I filled it up with a bunch of shaker bits, including some white diamond dots, because I think they look like little snowballs, and they help everything to move around well. I used a gold heart sticker I had, or heart star sticker I had in my stash, and this is from the new White Christmas paper pad. The trees are too in the background. So I think that came out so cute, right? And then for the middle part here, I made a bonus tray. So I just glued the cardstock onto the foam that was cut out. And then these are actually pre-made Jolie stickers I got last year, I think from Zulily. And I just cut them to size and stuck them onto the tray to look like Christmas lights. And then for the star and the trunk, I just colored in with like a gold paint marker. So yeah, quick little embellishment, right? Why throw out those pieces when you can make something else? So I had that. And then remember last week we were looking at the White Christmas paper pad, which is this one. And we were looking through it, and I said, wow, you know, it really reminds me of a Martha Stewart Christmas paper pad that I have. So I got that out, and it's similar, but it's not the same. This is the one that I have. It's from, I got it from Amazon last year, but it's an older paper pad. It doesn't say the collection. I was trying to find it, but This is what the back looks like. That's the UPC code. It says it's from, where's the year? Oh, 2018. Okay. So anyway, you could see these are the papers that are in there. So it's similar. There's more blue in this one, but I think it would go pretty well. So I'm excited about using them together. As you can see, I've used some of them already, and I won't do a big flip through, but just to show you that it is similar, but not the same at all. So yeah, just in case you were wondering about that paper pad. So I think that's all I have. Yeah, hope you guys are doing well. Today is my son's birthday. He's 17 years old, so we are going, well, you know, we can't really do too much these days, but we're going to get his favorite dinner for dinner, and I am making the Hershey's chocolate cake that is to die for. If you want a good chocolate cake recipe, it's on their website. It's on the back of the Hershey's cocoa tin, and it's just fabulous. And you have to make the icing to go with it because it's so good. I can't wait. But anyway, hope you guys have a great weekend. Hope you enjoyed my haul and project shares and updates. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And I'd love to have you here. So, all right, I will come back soon. Thanks again, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.